A warm welcome to you all in my social science class. I'm Arshi Aziz and today I'm going to explain you chapter number 5 of Geography Agriculture. In this video children, I will explain the meaning of agriculture and factors influencing crop cultivation. So children, watch the full video and try to understand the important terms which I will explain. So children, we will start our class with this beautiful thought. According to the George Washington, agriculture is the most helpful, most useful and most noble employment of man.
My dear children, while traveling by a train, you would have seen endless fields with crops or farmers working in their fields. Did you ever think that agricultural land is a resource? Yes, it is the most basic resource for agriculture. It provides food, clothing and shelter to humans. It has been the foundation of all the ancient civilizations. In primitive agriculture, the aim was to meet the domestic needs. With the growth in population and increasing demands, different ways and means were developed to increase the productivity of land. Children, you know that more than half of the world's population is engaged directly or indirectly in agriculture. It provides raw materials to many industries. Now, there are better irrigation facilities, high-yielding seeds and fertilizers, modern machinery and more productive methods in agriculture. So children, as a result, more areas have been brought under the agriculture and there was surplus crop and international trade in agricultural products. Children, the word agriculture has been derived from the Latin words ager or agri, which means soil, and culture, which means cultivation or tilling of soil. Agriculture is the term used to describe the act of growing crops and raising livestock for human consumption and use. So children, agriculture or farming can be looked at as a system. The important inputs in agriculture are seeds, fertilizers, machinery and labor. And children, a few operations involved in it are plugging, sowing, irrigation, weeding and harvesting. And the children, outputs that we get are crops, wool, dairy and poultry products. Children, some types of agriculture have special names. For example, fish breeding is called pisciculture, raising silkworms for producing silk is called sericulture, keeping bees for honey is called apiculture, growing grapes is called viticulture, and growing flowers, vegetables and fruits is called horticulture. So children, farming in which only natural methods of manuring and pest control are used and the plants and animals raised are not genetically modified to improve yields is called organic farming. Factors affect crop cultivation. So children, crops can be grown only on arable land. Children, arable land means a land suitable for growing crops. So, such land, as you know, is not found everywhere in the world.
Even where arable land is available, the types of crops grown depend on certain physical factors and socio-economic factors. Physical factors, children, like climate, landforms, and soil, and socio-economic factors like mechanization, capital means money, government policies, etc. Children, I will explain the factors in detail in my next video. So children, wait for my next video.